Welcome back to Carolina Rut Cuddles. Today we are taking the 6x6 out, and I had to come in the woods. I know y'all can see back there. Y'all see that? The wind's blowing a $190. I don't know why. I had some other ideas for the videos today, but again, I don't know what's with the wind lately. It just will not slow down. And I had another video that was planned this weekend, but it just totally fell apart. It's gonna be next week's video now, so y'all will just have to wait till next week to see what's going on. You guys really I can't wait till next week so y'all can see what's going on. But I don't want to spoil it. We still haven't got to the grizzly yet because the parts still ain't came in. They're supposed to be here last hour, it didn't come in. It was either Monday, Tuesday. I mean, each day it updated and each day it was not right. So they still ain't here, so we haven't started on the prairie either. So we're just stuck in the middle. So why don't we take this out, play in some mud, maybe push some past. I mean, come on, let's see what we get into with the 6x6. He's the only thing we have that is running right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and say ahead of time, I'm sorry about the cough, guys. I could not get rid of it. I had asthma as a kid, and it's slowly coming back as I get older. But sorry about the cough. I'm probably gonna cough some. Y'all see the smoke? It is just so bad right now. Hang on, other side. The smoke is just so bad. I really gotta rebuild this top end. But I went to go put an axle on the Rubicon, and that thing was so tight it broke the diff trying to get it out. So yeah, we ain't doing the top end on this right now. We got to do a whole brand new diff on the back of a Rubicon. I don't know if it's Honda's fault, if it's the axle's fault, but I don't know. I'm kind of pissed off at that. I ordered it. It ain't that expensive, but come on. What kind of bull crap luck do I have this week? Let's hope my windsock is doing its job. Look how deep it is, guys. Y'all seen how it's been a lot lower, but we've been getting a little bit of rain, so now we got some water. Hey, my button's torn sideways. Get back there, baby. Okay. Probably the dumbest thing I can do is go straight for the deep hole, but hey, what can I say? I'm not the brightest cookie in the bunch. Come on, baby. That's what I'm talking about. 6x6, being a tank. In case y'all wonder what's going on, we actually have somebody coming to check out the Rubicon, and they're gonna trade us another foiler. I don't want to tell y'all what because it might not come true, and we'll see what happens. But if all goes well, we're gonna have something new next weekend, I hope. We just got to get the Rubicon back together. And I mean, it's gonna be interesting. I really can't wait. If he doesn't, we have two other people who now want to bring us cash. I don't understand how I've had almost 0 people want it, and all of a sudden at once, now everybody wants it all at once. I'm like, guys, what in the heck? Where y'all been? Okay, we're gonna go through it one more time. It's starting to rain. Let's go through the bigger hole over there. Yeah, baby, come on. If we break it, my wife kills us, so let's not break it. Me and my wife are gonna go on a date today, so I'm trying my hardest not to break this thing because she says she's getting ready right now. I don't have a lot of time. The worst thing that could happen is me to break this. I'll have to come pick me up. Let's get through here. This is what broke the transfer case last time. The mud was so thick last time. Come on, baby. I'm trying to be easy. I'm being easy. Come on. It's climbing up. Come on. We gotta climb up this hill. Come on. Those 29 and a half outlaws have done a number. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Come on, baby. We're almost there. There we go. Come on. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. This thing is cooking with gas today. Here it is, guys. This is the hole that broke the Rubicon last time. So I want to see if the 6x6 can redeem itself and show it's better than the Rubicon. Will it be? Who knows? We'll have to find out. So let's jump in. Ah, so thick. I'm already regretting this. Come on, baby. There it is. Didn't even make it 2 inches. Come on. Damn, that Rubicon did a number. Oh, there we go. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, come on. You're my baby. Just float through there. Right now, it's riding on that rut for the from those Rubicon. Come on, come on. Getting exhausted now, but we almost got it. We're stuck right here on a hill. Problem is we're stuck on this hill, and I really don't have a lot of room to wiggle. Come on. Oh, the back wheels ain't touching right now. But say, wait. Get out of here, stick. Only problem with the 6x6 is the back wheels don't touch when she goes backwards. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on, climb the hill. Climb the hill. There you go. Climb that hill. Yeah, come on, come on. This one, the Rubicon broke the other axle. Whoa, there's a huge hole right there. Crap, whoa. Let's just go ahead and say 6 wheels are still better than 4. I mean, that thing just climbed right through there. Got a little stuck at the ankle, we just couldn't get up the hill, but other than that, she did good. Let's go push to the woods together. We still ain't getting a lot of rain, I guess, because that hole's still empty. That hole was a nice little hole. It used to be pretty decent, but over time it just kind of mellowed out. I'm telling y'all, I keep having these coughing fits, and man, it is just hard to breathe. I got to get mine halo and give me a couple puffs, boys. Wow, that tree is dead. Can we push it over? Watch, I'm gonna get whacked in the head. Nope, that's still alive enough. We can kick this one over though. Die tree. Timbo! That made me feel better. We're gonna use this thing as a battling ram. Beep, beep. Put 6-wheel drive on. Crap. Ow. Well, we are stuck in a rock in a hard place. What the heck? Hello. I'm telling y'all, I'm just getting a little cocky right now. I know a lot of people are gonna miss the Honda, and I'm gonna miss the Honda Rubicon, but I ain't gonna lie, guys, as much as I like it, it doesn't make for interesting videos. Like, it's just kind of slow and goes, which is great, but I don't know, I mean, I guess if you go deep, but you can only go deep like one time of the year. You can't exactly, that was my nose. I mean, let's be honest, you don't want to go deep right now. It's 30 degrees out here. The last thing you want to do is be like, oh yeah, let's go up to our chest. Oh, can we make it? Can we make it? Oh no. What the heck? That tree's dead there. We put that right over. Come on, come on. Yeah, woo, woo. We're just looking at some other 4-wheelers. I mean, we already got the Parade. I really cannot wait to get started on that build, but we gotta wait till we get the Grizzly done for us because it's taking up all my room. Man, this, guys, I'm telling y'all, this brings back so many memories in here every time I come through here. We used to have a paintball course in here, and airsoft. If you know, I'm sure y'all know what airsoft is, you know what paintball is, but man, it was just so much fun in here with my friends. And then we grew up, and we got kids and jobs, and now nobody really hangs out that much. Luckily, most of my friends are in the fire department with me, so I do get to see them at least once a week normally, but we don't hang out as much as we used to. It's sad. I've always said if we could have recorded back in the day in our prime time, which was before YouTube, we would be some of the biggest people on YouTube. I mean, we were crazy, we were stupid, we didn't care. Of course, as I got older, I kind of had to calm down because I got married, had kids. It's a path and you can just make your own. Ain't that what bumpers were made for? I mean, it's not like we have a radiator. What's the worst that can happen? Ow! That, get whacked in the face. I don't know if we're gonna make that today, and I don't have anybody to pull me out. Man, that looks so much fun right now. But my nephew is gone. I want to go in there so bad. We made it through last time. Dang it. My life sucks right now. I need friends. Who's my friends? Who's coming? You know what? We're gonna try it. I'm cocky. Feeling cocky. My wife's gonna kill us. God, what am I doing? This is for y'all. Is this mud that thick? Okay, we're backing up slowly. Okay, go forward. Come on, come on. Come on, baby. We got it. We got to get it top end rebuild or something, because I just feel like this thing does not have a lot of power anymore. Come on, let's get out of here. Come on. There we go. Come on. There we go. And this is why I'm scared to take it to Busco. You see that? It just, I don't know, it just bogs down. It did not want to keep going. And I don't know. I think we're gonna have to get, what I want to do is I want to do a big bore kit on this thing. We're at 75% gear reduction, guys. We can't go much bigger. And 88's almost impossible to find. And maybe a big bore kit and a cam. People swear it gives you a little bit more horsepower, and maybe that will help us, because we just don't have enough horsepower when the mud gets super thick like that. We also got to find somebody who can build us a gearbox that can hold that power. So if you know anybody who can build like special shafts or even a gearbox, let me know. I mean, I've been having trouble finding somebody, and we really need to get a tougher gearbox. I mean, I believe the drivetrain will hold up the rest of it, but the gearbox is just weak. Ah! Well, I probably should have put it back in 6-wheel drive. Down this thing, 6-wheel drive. Come on, come on, there you go. It's funny how something as simple as the front wheels change so much. Like, even with the back wheels turning, it ain't enough. I mean, you still need the front wheels. Front wheels are always what helps you guys. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the 6x6, it did great as always. I swear this thing will just keep going. But I think we ran out of power. You saw in that last hole, shut up, bad boy. You saw in the last hole, she started getting bogged down because the boat was too thick. It was having trouble kind of chewing it up. So we need to look into a big bore kit. Does anybody know where to get one, what type and all this? If so, leave it in the comments, because when I rebuild this, I am going to do a big bore kit. I wasn't going to, but I think that will help us. And anybody know where we can get a gearbox? I mean, or if they can build a custom shaft, we just need something to make it so we don't break the shaft with too much power. Because that is one thing that scares me too much. If I can get, even if I can make a whole new system back there, guys. Anyways, as always, make sure you like this video, leave a comment, tell me what you think. Should we do a big bore kit? What do you think we're gonna do next week and everything? I'm starting to lose my voice from all this coughing. So anyways, guys, I will see y'all next time. Let's see, did it come finally? Now there's Caitlin. You know, it said it was delivered. Come on, baby, I need these packages. Stop. You know, one day I might actually put brakes on this thing. Come on. Yes, finally, we got it. The big one. The grizzly parts are finally in. I'll try to block out the address. If not, I don't give two flying fudges. If you want to come ride with me, let me know in the comments and I will let y'all come. We can all ride together. I need people to ride with.